In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a PDF on Gumroad. First, head over to your Gumroad dashboard and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the products option in the menu and click on it. This is where all of your current and future products will live. On the products page, click on the button that says New Product to start setting up your PDF. A new window will open where you can begin defining your product. Click into the name field and type in the title of your PDF. Try to choose a clear, descriptive name so potential buyers immediately understand what they're getting. Next, select the type of product. For a PDF, this will usually be a digital product or an ebook. Choose whichever option best matches how you want to present it. Now, type in the price you want to charge. You can use a fixed price or later allow more flexible pricing. Next to the price, click the currency dropdown and choose the currency you want to be paid in. When you're happy with that, click on Next. Customize to move on. On the Customize page, start by adding a detailed description. Explain what's inside the PDF, who it's for, and what problem it solves or what value it provides. Then, in the URL field, create a short, clean link for your product page. Below that, upload a cover image or video that visually represents your PDF, and then upload a thumbnail as well. These visuals help your product stand out. In the product info section, choose the call to action text, such as buy this or I want this, and write a short summary that will appear prominently on the page. If you want, you can click add details to include extra information like file size, number of pages, or anything else relevant. Scroll down to integrations, where you can optionally connect communities like Discord or other platforms your customers can be invited to. In the pricing section, fine-tune how people pay. You can allow pay what you want, installments, and other options. In the version section, you can add variations such as a standard and a VIP version. Under settings, choose options like limiting total sales, letting customers buy multiple quantities, or publicly showing the number of sales. Next, go to the Content tab at the top. This is where you add the actual PDF. Use the upload icon above the content field to upload your file, unless you prefer to create content directly in that editor. Then click on the Receipt tab. Here you can customize the button text and add a personal thank you message that buyers will see after purchase. When that's done, click on the Share tab, and finally click Publish and Continue. Gumroad will guide you through the last simple steps to make your product live and ready for customers.